Hey everybody, guess where we at today? We at the capital of speed, Talladega, Alabama. I got a little treat for you here. I'm at a friend of mine's house and he's got a couple old cars in this garage right here. We're going to sneak in here, see if we can't get a look at a couple of them. So let's go see what we can find. What we got right here? This is a 67 Cutlass. Is it a 442? I think it's just a regular Cutlass. Don't matter. Check it out. A little dirty, but hey, everything can't be perfect. Swing around over the back, and we got a couple Corvettes. I think this one's for, well, I think both of them are actually for sale. Fred and the son, Kyle, do all their work, and I think they restored both of these. This one is one we're looking at right now is a sure enough hot rod. It's got a big time motor they purchased online and put in it. I think this one here is just basically stock 350 vet. So if you're looking for one, get in touch with me, leave a comment on the section below, and see if we can't hook you up. But just out here in Talladega, out in the country, I flew into town, visit my friend, and just thought I'd put a little film on this for you. Have your treat for the day. So there you go. Well, hey folks, I'm just about back in Dothan, and I spotted this here on the side of the highway out here, and just had to throw some film on it. This is about a 71, 72, says SS. No motor, station wagon, and no major station wagon SS. There's the phone number. But look in here. There's I see a 66 Chevelle, A model, a 69 four-door something. Hope we don't get shot. Like a 57 something Chevrolet panel van. I'll get it out in a minute. I need to look at this Chevelle because I want seats out of it. Oh, she's rougher than a cob too, buddy. Yes, sir. Ain't no seats in it to be had. And there ain't nothing. This is a piece of shit, let me tell you. This is a piece. Somebody that took the VIN number tag off. They can claim it's a SS, but without this VIN number, it went right here. It says 136 or 138, and you can't tell what you have. Got a Maverick back over there in the corner. Yeah, so this Chevelle is eat up. It was a straight shift car at one time. What we got back over there? That's a Buick Skylark. Appears to be convertible. So I got the key in this little A model right here. Probably don't run, not the looks of it. That's that 69 I was telling you about. Let's get back over here on this A model. I don't know what year model. They started making A's, like, I don't know, 26, 27, 25. Somewhere along that way, I see there's a 77, 78 Firebird. Could be a Formula. Got a Monza. I'm interested in this Monza right here. It ain't rotted out. Don't look too bad. Well, it's got a little bit of rust. It's a 2+2. This don't mean nothing to me. I'm going to slam a V8 down into it. Quarters look fairly well on it. Floorboards, they okay. It'd be a fixer-upper, that's for sure. There you are, just riding down the road here and right outside Dothan, Alabama. Look at this guy's junk. That's basically what he's got. This Chevelle ain't bad. The quarters are real good shape on it. Ain't gonna be much to keep letting it rain in it like it is. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Needs a tune-up. No, needs more than a tune-up, don't it? The A-frame bushings are shot on it. Well, everything's shot on it. Got to be replaced. But it's not rusted out, so there's your fixer-upper. That's the way I call it. That's the way it is. All right, folks. One more before I leave out here. I just spotted this 69 Pontiac convertible. Don't know what is it, GTO, Le Mans, what it is. Pontiac though. Don't look too terrible. Yeah. Back end in it at least. Not all there is left of it. So there it is in the film.
All my friends never know.